Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorials. In this video we are going to see one job opportunity which is coming from PDIL. PDIL, as we know that this is Projects and Development India Limited. It is a PSU, Mini Ratna PSU, and this recruitment is for both diploma and degree holders. So diploma engineers and degree engineer, both type of posts are there. Total 132 posts are there, and last date for this post is 28th of August. So apply before that, and if you are eligible you can continue with the whole of the video. Even if you are not eligible for this post, there are other vacancies which I have mentioned in various playlists. I will be giving those links also, so that those will be useful for you. And if we look at the career page, this is the career page, and in the second number there is the applications are invited for the engagement of the eligible candidates purely on the contract basis, up to 3 years duration for various posts for posting in the PDIL offices sites located all over India. So if I click here to the view, and applications download format is there, right, in these kind of things. If I click here to view, so the PDIL login and these things are there, right? So new registration login you have to do. Suppose first of all we go through this. This is the complete notification, 14 pages notification. I'll be attaching these also in the description and in the top comment, so need not to worry. First thing first, that it is purely on the contractual basis. 3 years contract will be there. And the next thing is that there are the postings for civil engineer, mechanical engineer, but not much number of the posts are there. Like for diploma engineer, you can see firstly they have bifurcated for the diploma engineer, then degree engineer. So there is first post, like 825 posts are for the diploma engineer. So in the diploma engineer, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and NDT, fire safety, SSP and QC audit, these are there. And if we come to the degree engineer, so process engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, again mechanical engineering, different posts of mechanical engineering are there. Electrical engineering, instrumentation, project management, management services, environmental engineering, these kind of opportunities. Are the material management separately post is there. So 107 posts are there. So this is the description of the post. But if we go by the civil engineering, diploma in civil engineering, that is the first requirement. Second, job description is there, that this will be your job description, so that's not a big deal. But most important thing is that there you should have at least some experience. They haven't explained like year of experience, but you should have experience in supervision and experience in quality assurance, like that, these kind of things. Okay, before applying I will suggest you that you go through the complete notification, but I am giving you a glimpse of what is being mentioned there. Okay, so like candidate should have experience in AutoCAD, these kind of thing. For mechanical, if I go down, so these kind of things are there. Like for electrical also, nothing is mentioned like year of experience, as we can see here. Like process or engineering is there, engineering degree in the chemical technology is there. So that is for the process engineering, and this will be the job description for process engineering. You'll be working in the chemical industry, and you must have the experience in leading group for the process engineering. So year of experience is not mentioned. Some kind of experience will be required in all the posts, as we can see. And if we move down, there is some form of recruitment application fees. So that is for general OBC it is 800, and for SC ST EWS it is 400. So I'll be showing you that also. This is the age criteria given on the page number 10. You can look through it. Okay, some type of age relaxation is given. Post qualification experience here, if we see, so this is the mention of the post qualification year of experience, like 258 degree and diploma, both kind of post have given this similar kind of year of experience, like minimum 2 years of experience there. And that is the age, and this is the consolidated pay which you'll be getting. Okay, so if it is suitable you can apply for this. Otherwise you could subscribe the channel, and we'll be seeing some fresher videos and some other kind of the videos which will be like new job opportunities. Like this job opportunity is completely for the experienced candidates, but it's a good opportunity, right? If you are having that experience, so you can apply. And these are the reservations, number of candidates. And if I go downwards, certain documents and this application fees which I told you, and these are the various certificates, apply procedure, and reimbursement of the TA project expense to attend the interview. So that is a separate thing. After you have just qualified, they will call you for interview. So this is there that please visit PDIL website time to time to get updated about the interview, and they all will also intimate you about that in separate email. Okay, so this is it for this today's video. See you in the next one, in which you will be seeing some other job tip. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.